Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on buying books from the store on Kindle Paperwhite. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the homepage of the Kindle, tap the cart icon in the top right corner. At the top, you can browse categories and look through Kindle Unlimited, among other things. If you scroll down, you can see book suggestions for you. You can search for books by tapping the search icon in the top right. Find the book that you would like to purchase and then tap on it. To buy the book, tap Buy. You will then be taken to the purchasing page and will have to enter your credit card details. Once you have paid for the book, it will appear in your library. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Kindle tips and tricks.